Hi Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 10th to August the 12th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating Babaylan TV sa YouTube, no? So, paki-check na lang din po. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Pisces, merong taong gustong magtapat. I feel like meron ditong gustong sabihin ang tunay niyang nararamdaman. Either to rebuild the connection or bring back the connection or build another relationship with you. For a few numbers of you, what is dominant in here is the romance, the love, the feeling, the expression of love. There might be something that was not clear then. So I think that for a few numbers of you, there might be some pauses when it comes to the connection. Parang yung iba sa inyo papunta na sana doon, no? Nag-escalate na yung emotions, tapos biglang nawala. Tapos eto na naman siya, no? Parang sinasabi niya, let's continue the connection. Let's continue building this relationship together. Since you were gone, no? I think that this person's life becomes a little dull. Nawala ng kulay, no? And nakikita ka niya uli, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng, sabihin natin, awa talaga, emotions, no? For your person na maybe it's not love, maybe it's, becoming more humane, no? Sabihin natin, dinedma mo siya ng ilang panahon, ilang siglo talaga. Matagal kayong hindi nag-usap and then here you go again. Parang nakikita kayo uli. Parang sa'yo, it's more of becoming more really human, no? Now we are, I don't want to treat you bad, but I don't want to treat you good as well. But for them, it's actually a good interpretation, or they interpreting it as a blessing, no? Na siguro may pag-asa pa. So there's actually nagtitinda yata siya ng hopya mani popcorn, no? 9 of Cups, the 3 of Swords, the 7 of Cups, the 7 of Swords. For a few numbers of you, you've already known this person na parang well, it doesn't matter na kung sino yung nag-cheat or what have you, or both of you. There's actually someone entered, sa relationship back then. With the 3 of Swords, nagkaroon ng sakitan, ng damdamin, the Hangman at the 10 of Wands. I feel like nagkaroon dito ng banter of, hurting each other, no? Your person hurts you, you hurt them. It kind of makes me feel that there is really a battle who's the strongest, no? With the 7 of Cups, until things piled up, nauwi sa totohanan itong separations. The Empress, the King of Pentacles. For a few numbers of you, nagkaroon pa ng ibang relationship, whether ikaw or yung person mo. One thing is for sure, there might be some separation years or months. Hindi lang to isang linggo, hindi lang to araw ang binilang. Months or years na nagkaroon kayo ng separation ni person. You thought it's over. You thought that both of you are moving forward, no? With the 8 of Wands, the 9 of Swords, the 3 of Pentacles. 9 of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Cups and the Devil card. I believe that, someone created here a sort of like a karmic situation with the Devil card. I feel like I already give up. I don't wanna, siguro ikaw ito nagsabi na I don't want to associate myself with you. I don't want to associate my life with you or my name beside your name, no? Um, Ganun talaga nagkaroon ng hatred sa isa't isa until there is a realization, you know what? Itong hatred na ito is nagpapababa ng energy, no, ng vibrations ko. Sige, we can talk. The passion is here, the Four of Wands. I think either nagsasama na kayo uli sa isang bahay. You're trying to work things out. You're trying to be civil again. This is not gonna be an easy task for the both of you to bring back what was um broken. Kasi there's actually a betrayal of trust. There's actually people involved in here. It may really be hard, but for you, or at least for the person, no, they're trying to work things out little by little. You know, step is a baby step. For a few numbers of you, baka nga nagde-decide na hindi ko na siya susubukan uli. Kung meron man, I think that this is more of becoming civil, no? For old time's sake, ayoko rin namang tumatanda, no? Or yung buhay every day is meron akong hatred sa puso. No, might as well, I'm going to make peace with it. Whatever happens in here, I'm going to make peace with it, and probably, who knows? I'm not closing the door, right? But I am also but I am sure that for now, hindi pagbabalikan ang nasa isip ko, no? Or nasa puso ko. Probably this is more of me removing the toxicity in my life. Our past will always reunite, and I love you to the moon and back a million times. So I think that this is your person's oath, or at least your person's realization or assumption that you and your persons cannot be relationship cannot be broken. I think sabihin natin medyo may pagkadilulo, no, itong si person natin na things are gonna get back. But who knows, di ba? Hindi rin naman natin alam. But for now, what you want is peace, not romance. I think that your person hears that your person's main goal is to bring back the relationship per se. No, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Capricorn, Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius. Yep, so this is your reading, Pisces. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo, Pisces. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website, no? Then, sa website po, ibaba nyo, nandun po yung link, nandun po yung question form. Ibaba nyo pa, nandun po yung yung information, how much per question, no, nandun din po yung name and number, no, for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. So Pisces, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Nandyan po sa description box din ang mga fake accounts na pwede nyong i-report if you want to win a personal reading with me. Once nagapi po yan, so ang gagawin nyo po is to report those fake accounts. Pwede nyo yung gawin every day. Screenshot, no, itong reports ninyo and send it to the designated email. Ayan. Kung hinahanap nyo ang X-Files, no, ito po yung segment dito sa YouTube channel. Talking about exes, nilipat ko na po siya, no? Hindi ko na po ina-upload dito yung mga readings na yon, nandun na po siya sa Facebook, no, para hindi po nag-aaway-away dito sa YouTube. This is your reading, Pisces. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.